Do you have any patches or holes in your beard or mustache game? Well, I got a simple fix for you to fix the problem. Hey everyone, my name is Scott with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and a lot of beard growers out there, including me, suffer from the patches, holes, and gaps in our beard growth. And I have actually found a way how to conquer this problem, and I want to show you guys a couple tips and tricks to alleviate it. So majority of men out there have patches in their beard, and it obviously can come down to genetics, age, there's a lot of factors to play in it. But there can be a way to fix it. And what I like to do is play with products and to trim and to cut some of the beard up to go ahead and fix those problems. Now there are two main spots that come out for me. Now in particular is going to be my chin area where I don't have the strongest beard growth. Now second for a lot of men, not for me as much, is going to be the cheek area. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use the razor for the help. So we need to find out where the patch is happening, all right? If it's lower down here, we can fix it with product. If it's a little more higher up here, we can fix it with a razor because we don't wanna go too far down with our beard into the jawline. So what I like to do is take your razor out. Doesn't matter if it's a multi-blade or if it's a straight razor. We want to draw a line using our finger, and we want to find that spot where that gap or that hole or that patch is in our beard, because where that thickness of the beard lines up, that's where we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut off. All right, so for me, let's say this area right here is just not looking right. Everything else is really thick here below. We're going to use that finger, we're going to take a razor, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to razor up, and we're going to create a new line. All right, and that's going to be the new spot where the beard line is going to be. Hence why that patch or that hole can be alleviated, is that we're going to create that new line and that beard is going to look more robust. Because if you watch my previous video, remember, not all follicles grow at the same rate and speed as the others do. So some hairs in that self might not grow multiple hairs. Some follicles I've seen can grow 1, 2, or 3. It's just up to you, your genes, and how your skin grows that hair. So I like to, once again, say just use that line, figure out where it is. If it's too low, don't worry about it. We can fix it up with product. If you can, like I said, use your finger, trim up, create that new line, and that's where it's gonna start, and that's where it'll finish. And if you need to, and you have to trim just a little bit lower, grow out your neckline just a little bit more, create a new line, shave it, and then that way your beard will look even longer, even though that the cheek line might not be as high. So the second thing I like to do is use beard product. This is gonna be your best friend. Because once again, not only does oil, beard balm, and butter hydrate and moisturize your beard hair, but it's also going ahead and thicken it up. So go ahead, take your beard balm out. This is gonna be the Outback from Volt. We're gonna go ahead and take just about, I don't know, a good amount. Don't be shy on the beard product. That's one thing people forget about. Don't be shy on the beard product, all right? Go ahead and work it in, and once again, for me, it's the chin area, okay? We're just gonna go ahead and start rubbing it in, and I can already see a big difference within that little patch that my beard hair is thickening up. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna give that look that your beard is robust because of the coating that the beard product is doing. Now, one last secret tip for you guys. Now, just in particular for this area, my soul patch, right? Just like within that last video, the beard hair needs to grow over itself. Just like the mustache, just like the beard, sometimes your beard hair needs to grow over itself so that way it'll have a thicker look. So for me, with my soul patch, it's actually gonna start growing over the chin. As my chin grows, it's gonna go over the neck. And so once again, this is the time that you guys need to put in for that beard growth to get that look that you want. Because the last thing I want you guys to do is get fed up of your beard because it's not doing what you want. You know, we're born with these genes, we're born with the beard that we have, so make the best out of it. If you want that look, there's no reason why you can't achieve it. You just might have to adjust or trim a few things to get what you need. So if you guys need any extra help, go down in the description, check out some of these oils and butters that we have here at Volt that can help you guys out, bring your beard to the next level. With that, you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.